Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, today we are going to learn the rational numbers. So the properties of rational number we are discussing in the last classes. In that last classes we are discussing the closure property and commutative property we are discussing. So this today we are going to discussing the associative property and the distributive property. Okay, shall we discuss the associative property? Yes, first of all, what do we mean about the associative property? Associative property. What does it mean about? In the commutative property, you can take any two integers or any two whole numbers or any two rational numbers. You have to addition in a different order, or if you are doing the multiplication in a different order, then the result it remains same. Then the property is called as commutative property. So the commutative property of a rational numbers is satisfied under the addition and also multiplication. So and commutative properties does not satisfy under subtraction and division. Got it? So in that associative property, so for first I will discuss the whole number. Okay. So in that over addition, first of all addition. In that, so what? First of all, associative means association. Did you heard the word association? That means group. Associate means group. For example, A, B, C or any three whole numbers, if you are adding in different groups over additions, here this is addition. First I will add the first two whole numbers and that sum if add to the third whole numbers. In the first LHS side, in the RHS side, last two numbers, firstly last two numbers you have to add it, that sum you should add to the first number, correct? So when you are doing like this, that result it remains same in LHS and RHS. See students, for example 3, 5 and 8, these three are the whole numbers. So here also 3, 5 and 8, correct? So I will do the addition. Over addition means I will do the additions. Firstly, I will add to the first two whole numbers in the LHS side. Next, like that, in the RHS side, last two whole numbers I will add in the RHS side. Then the result it remains same. Let us check it. So firstly we have to add it. 3 plus 5 how much? 8. Plus 8 as it is write down. It is equal to 3 as it is write down first. Then last two whole numbers you should add it. 5 plus 8, 13. Now 8 plus 8 what? 16. 13 plus 3 how much? 16. So then the LHS is become to the RHS. Therefore that associative property of a whole number satisfied under addition. Correct. So then subtraction. What will happen subtraction? Let us check it. See 3, 5 and 8. This number only should take. So here I will do that what? Subtraction. Here in the associative property the order it does not change. So it only the group only it will change. Okay. So firstly two numbers we should subtract in the beginning LHS side and the RHS side last two numbers you should subtract it. Okay. 3 minus of 8 minus 2. Minus 2. Here minus 8 as it is. 3 as it is minus of 5 minus of 8 is minus 3. Got it? Now minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 because of negative side. Same signs. Therefore I will add it. Now 3 minus into minus plus 3 as it is right now. So minus 10 it is equal to 3 plus 3 6. But minus 10 is not equal to 6. But LHS is not equal to RHS side. Therefore the associative property of a whole number it does not satisfy under subtraction. Got it? Now multiplication. In that multiplication, see student, same result. A into B into C it is equal to A into B into C. So I will be making the different group in the LHS and RHS side. So firstly I will do the grouping in the LHS side first two numbers. Next last two numbers I will add to the RHS side. I will group the RHS side. Next I will take the example 3, 5, 8. So into it is equal to 3 into 5 into 8. Okay. First we should Group in the LHS side, first two numbers you have to make the group. Next, in the RHS side, last two numbers you have to make the group. Next, 3 5 is how much? 50 into 8 as it is right on, it is equal to 3 as it is right on. 8 5 is how much? 8 5 is 40. Okay. Now we should multiply the product. We should multiply to the third number. 15 8 is 120. It is equal to 43 is 120. Therefore, LHS is become to the RHS. Therefore, the associative property of a whole number is satisfied under multiplication. Addition and multiplication is satisfied. Subtraction is not satisfied. Like division is also not satisfied. See student, 10 divided by 5 divided by 2. It is equal to 10 divided by 5 divided by 2. Okay. See, 10 divided by 5 how much? 10 by 5 means 5 2s are 10, correct? 5 2s are 10 divided by 2. It is equal to 5 divided by 10 means, so first this number I will make the group and then divided by 2 as it is right down. So next last two numbers I will add it, divide it. So 10 divided by 5 divided by 2 is nothing but 5 by 2, correct? So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So 10 divided is nothing but into, so it become reciprocal. So what it become? 2 by 5. 5 by 2 is become 2 by 5. The reciprocal of a number or multiplicative inverse. So 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10. Now 1 is equal to 2 2s are how much? 4. Therefore 1 is not equal to 4. Therefore the associative property of a whole number is does not satisfy under division. So associative property of a whole number, it only satisfied under addition and the subtraction, multiplication, but does not satisfy under subtraction and division. Got it, friends? Next, like that, integers. Yes, integers. Okay, students. First of all, addition I will take. So same procedure. So minus 3 plus 4 and then 8 I will take plus 8. It is equal to, here also minus 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8. Okay. In that integers, first making the two groups over the addition. Okay. Plus 5, this is plus 8, one group, and then plus 5 and plus 8 is the another group. First minus 3 plus 8, 5 is the one group. In that RHS, plus 5 and plus 8 is the another side of the group. See, minus 3 plus into plus 5, so plus 8, correct, as it is right now. So first I will remove the bracket. So plus into plus 5 as it is, minus 3 as it is, plus 8 is as it is, it should write down. So put the bracket. It is equal to minus 3 now plus as it is right on. So next plus 5 as it is right on. So plus 8 is also as it is right on. That bracket is removed. See, minus 3 plus 5 become plus 2. So plus 8 as it is right on. It is equal to minus 3. 8 plus of 5, 13, correct? Now, so 8 plus 2 how much? 10, plus 10. It is equal to 13 minus of 3, it is also plus 10. Therefore, LHS is equal to the RHS side. Therefore, associative property of integers is satisfied under addition, and also multiplication is also satisfied. Okay, multiplication is also satisfied. Let us check it. See, minus 3 plus 5 and plus 8, it is equal to minus 3 plus 5 and plus 8 is there. So in that, this is the into, this is also into. So minus 3, this is plus 5, here into, this is also into. Okay. Next, sisters. First of all, first two numbers you should multiply that. Okay. plus 5, plus into minus minus, 5 3 is 15, so plus 8 as it is right now, minus 15 and plus 8, it is equal to minus 3 as it is right now into plus into plus plus 8 5 is 40, correct? Now plus into minus what? Minus 15 8 is how much? 120, minus 120, minus into plus minus 40 into 3 again minus 120. Therefore associative property of integers is satisfied under addition and the multiplication. It does not satisfy under subtraction and division. You have to check it in your home. Okay, so I will show it addition and the multiplication as it is. Subtraction and division, you have to check it in your home, that subtraction and the division, it does not satisfy under subtraction and division of the associative property. Okay, so I will go to that directly. What? Rational numbers. See students, in the associative property of a whole number, it does not satisfy under addition and multiplication only. It does not satisfy under subtraction and the division. Like that, integer is also same property. So in the rational numbers, let us check it. Rational numbers. Or addition, is it satisfied or not? Multiplication is satisfied or not? So let us check it. First addition. See students, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 7 by 2 I will take. Okay, it is equal to same 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2. So I will take the three rational numbers in a different rational numbers. I will make the group associative property. I will verify the associative property of a over addition. First two numbers I will make the in the LHS side, in the RHS side, last two numbers I will make the group. Next, first group you have to solve it. So denominator are same. Add the numerator. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, is plus 7 by 2 as it is right on. Next, it is equal to 3 by 2 as it is right on, plus last two rational numbers we have to add it. So denominator are same. Add the numerator. 7 plus 5 12. 7 plus 5 12. Now again denominator are same. Add the numerator. 8 plus 7 15. So 15 by 2 in the LHS result. In the RHS result, denominator are same. Add the numerator. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 15 by 2 is equal to 15 by 2. Therefore, the associative property of rational numbers, it satisfied under addition. Got it? So shall we go to subtraction? So we check the subtraction. So let us check it. What? 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Correct? So first two numbers, rational numbers making the group. Next again 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. In that last two numbers making the one group. See, same denominator same. Subtract the numerator. 5 minus of 3 minus of 5 how much? Minus 2. 5 minus 3 2 bigger number say minus 2. It is minus 7 by 2 as it is right on. So next 3 by 2 as it is right on minus of. Again denominator same. Add subtract the numerator. 5 minus 7, so it become minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Now, so again denominator are same. Add the numerator. Minus 2 and minus 7, it become minus 9. It is equal to. Okay. Now, so again denominator are same. So 3 minus 2 minus plus. Correct? 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 2. So minus 9 by 2 is not equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, LHS is not equal to the RHS. So associative property of a rational number, it does not satisfy under subtraction. Got it? So like that multiplication. So let us check it. Multiplication. This right? 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 7 by 2. It is equal to 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 7 by 2. So first two rational numbers I will make the group and last two numbers I will make the group. So 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15, 15 by 4 into 7 by 2 as it is written. It is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 2s are 4, 7 5s are 35. Now, next 15 7s are 105, 4 2s are 8. It is equal to 35 into 3, 105 divided by 4 2s are 8. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, correct? Therefore, associative property of a rational number is satisfied under multiplication. Addition is also satisfied, multiplication is also satisfied. Subtraction is not satisfied, like division is also not satisfied. Let us check it. Division. Okay, see students, 10 by 3 divided by 5 by 6 divided by 15 by 9. Okay, it is equal to 10 by 3 divided by 5 by 6 divided by 15 by 9. Okay, so firstly we have to make the one group and last two rational number and make the another group. See, 10 divided by 3 as it is written, into is become divided by become into. So if you are write the into, that LHS become RHS, RHS become LHS. 5 by 6 is become 6 by 5. So divided by 15 by 9 as it is written, it is equal to 10 by 3 as it is written. So divided by, so 5 by 6 divided is become into. So 15 by 9 is become 9 by 50. Next, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, correct? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Therefore, 2 twos are 4, 4 by 1. 4 by 1 divided will become into. So 15 by 9 is become 9 by 50. Got it? Is equal to 10 by 3 as it is written. So divided by, so 5 ones are 5, 3s are 3, 3s are 3, 2s are 3, 2s are 6. So finally 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 by 6. Next, students, 4 9s are 36 by 15 ones are 15. It is equal to, here 10 divided by 3, 10 divided by 3 divided by come into 3 by 6 is become 6 by 3. So 36 by 15, it is equal to 3 ones are 3, 2s are, so 10 2s are 20, 20 by 3. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, associative property of a rational number, it does not satisfy under divisions. So only satisfied addition and multiplication. In subtraction and the division, it is not satisfied. Understand, students? So these are the properties of the rational numbers. One is closure property, associative, commutative property, and then associative property. Got it? So next, so role of 0. So next property, role of 0. So what do you mean about role of 0? Role of 0. See, student, in the addition, you can take any number or any rational numbers. So I will take 3. 3 is one of the rational number, correct? So if you are add to 0 to the rational number, any rational number, the result it become itself, correct? So therefore 0 is a what? Additive identity. 0 is a additive identity. So you can take 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is one of the rational number. If you are add to the 0, so the result it become same itself only. So otherwise, if you are subtract, if you are multiplication not. If you are add or subtract, the result it becomes itself, correct? See, 3 by 5 minus of 0, 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 0, 3 by 5. If you are add or subtract. So first of all, so additions, if you are add any rational number to the 0, the result it become itself. So like that, multiplication. If you take any rational number, 3 by 8 is one of the rational numbers. If you are multiply 0, the result it becomes 0. 0 you should add to any rational number, the result it become add or subtract, the result it remains itself. But if you are multiplication or divide, okay, multiplication or divide, the result it become 0. See, 3 divided by 8 divided by 0, the answer will become 0. Correct? Like that. So it is not 0, it is infinity. Anything by 0 is infinity. 0 by anything is 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. See students, 3 by 8 divided by 0, 10 divided by 0, so it becomes infinity. This is the symbol of infinity. Got it? Yes. Next, roll of 1. See, over the multiplication, okay, over the multiplication or divide, 3 into 1, what is the result? 3. Therefore 1 is a, what is that? Multiplicative identity. So additive identity is 0, multiplicative identity is 1. If you take any rational number, you should multiply with 1, the answer the result it remains itself. Okay, 3 by 9 or 3 by 8 into 1. 3 by 8 into 1 is nothing but 3 by 8. If you are multiplying with 1, the result itself only. Therefore 1 is the multiplicative identity, 0 is the additive identity. Got it? Next, additive inverse. What is the meaning about additive inverse? Do you know that additive inverse? Yes, we have learned in the last year classes. See students, additive inverse means see, plus 3 is one of the rational numbers. So what is the additive inverse of plus 3? So minus 3. Got it? Plus 3, the additive inverse is minus 3. So the one number, the sum of the any rational number and the reciprocal inverse number, if you are sum, that result it remains 0. See students, plus 3 is one of the number, the reciprocal number is minus 3. If you are doing the sum, what will result? 0. Plus 3 by 8 is one of the rational numbers. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 8? Minus 3 by 8. Correct? Plus 3 by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 8. So if you are add means, so 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 as it is right on, plus into minus minus, so 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 become 0. Therefore the additive inverse is only sign will become change, additive inverse. Correct it? So see students, minus 7 by 2, what is the reciprocal additive inverse of minus 7 by 2? So correct, what is that? Plus 7 by 2. So minus is become plus is become minus, but numerator and denominator is does not change in the additive inverse. But multiplicative inverse, see student, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse are reciprocal. Reciprocal. See students, 3 by 9, 3 by 7 I will take. 3 by 7 is one of the rational numbers. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? Correct. What is that? 7 by 3. Very simple students. So the numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. Only it changing the numerator and the denominator, that is called as multiplicative inverse. See another example. Minus 3 by 8. So the reciprocal of minus 3 by 8 is minus 8 by 3. Sir, minus? No, the sign it does not change. So additive inverse only the sign change. In the multiplicative inverse, sign does not change. Only changing the numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So that is called as, what is that? Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Got it students? So like that you have to learn it. So next lastly, distributive property. See, distributive property over addition. First, over addition. See, one example I will take. What is the meaning of distribution? Distribute means hanchu, correct? 3 by 5 into 10 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Okay, 10 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So over the addition, I will take the over addition. Therefore, I will put over addition. In general, see students, A into B plus C. In general, A, B, C are any rational numbers. See that A is multiplied with B one time. Same A again is multiplied with C also. So therefore, A into B one time I will multiply with A B. Plus this plus symbol you have to put as it is. One step is over. Next step, A is also multiplied with C. A into C. So this is called as distributive property over addition. Got it, students? So next, like that, I will take another example. See, 3 by 5 into 10 by 9 plus of 5 by 9. This is indicated as a into multiplication. Bracket is indicated as a multiplication. So firstly we have to multiply with 10 by 9 first term. Again this 3 by 5 is also multiplied with 5 by 9. Okay, see students. Okay, 3 by 5 into 10 by 9. One time you should multiply that. 3 by 5 into 10 by 9. Next, this plus as it is. Again 3 by 5 you should multiply with 5 by 9. 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 5 by 9. Okay, 5 by 9. See students, first this one of the sum and this is also another sum. Okay, first 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. If you are divided like this or like this, you have to divide it. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So remaining, what is that in the numerator? 2 into 1 2. What is the denominator? Here 1. 3 ones are 3. 2 by 3. So plus 3 and 5. 5 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 3s are. Here 1, here also 1. 1 into 1 what? 1. So here also 1. 3 ones are what? 3. So finally, so denominator are same. Add the numerator. 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 get cancelled. Remaining is 1. So this is called as RHS. Correct? RHS that is 1. Like that, LHS is also same result. See students, 3 by 5 into, firstly we should add it. Add the denominator or same. Add the numerator. 10 plus 5. So 3 by 5 into 10 plus 5 how much? 15. 15 by 9. 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. Therefore 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So therefore 1 is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Got it? So this is verification of the distributive property over addition. Got it, students? Very simple. Like that, subtraction. Okay? See. Same. I will do here addition, in that subtraction. That's all. So plus instead of minus is there. That's all. See, same procedure. Again 3 by 5 we should multiply with 10 by 9 minus, again 3 by 5 is multiplied with 10 by 9. Okay? Yes. So this is one of the sum and this is another sum. Okay, next. 5 ones are 5 2s are, 3 ones are 3 3s are. So finally 2 by 3 is the remaining. So minus 5 ones are 5 2s are, 3 ones are 3 3s are, again 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are, 5 ones are 5 2s are, again 2 by 3. So 3 by 5 is multiplied with 10 by 9. Again 3 by 5 is multiplied with 5 by 9. Okay. So 3 ones are 3 3s are, 5 ones are 5 2s are, 2 by 3 as it is. 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. sorry, 10 not 5, this is, sorry student, this is 5 by 9, not 10 by 9, 5 by 9. So 5 get cancelled. Okay, there are 3 ones and 3 threes are remaining 1. So this is 1 by 3. Okay, so next term, it is equal to, so denominator same, subtract the numerator, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 by 3 in the RHS. So LHS is also same result. See, 3 by 5 as it is, so 9 as it is right down, 10 minus of 5 how much? 5. Okay, here nothing is there means into is there. So 3 by 5 into 5 by 9. 5 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so sorry, 3 threes are. So remaining 1 into 1, 1, 1 threes are 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, distributive property of a over addition is also satisfied. Okay, so under addition, under subtraction, both are same, but in that, in the over addition you have to do addition, in over subtraction you have to do subtraction. That's all. Okay students, this is called as distributive property. Distribute means, what is that? Distribution. Do you heard the word? Yes, like that only I will distribute. 3 by 5 distribute the 10 by 9, and 3 by 5 is also distribute to the 5 by 9. Got it? Next. Okay students, in the next classes we are discussing the related to exercise problems, we are discussing in the next class. Okay, thank you.